In this video, I'm going to show you how to view hidden messages on Facebook. A lot of people don't realize that Facebook Messenger has a few spots where messages can get tucked away, and if you don't know where to look, you might miss them completely. Let's go step by step. First, open up the Messenger app on your iPhone or Android. The first type of hidden messages are the ones that have been archived. Sometimes you or the other person may swipe a conversation away and it won't show up in your main chat feed anymore. To check these, just tap on the three lines or the menu button in the top left corner, then tap on Archived Chats. Here, you'll find any conversations that were hidden from your main inbox but not deleted. You can tap on any of them to open the thread again, and if you reply, it will automatically move back into your regular chats. Now, the second type of hidden messages are ones that end up in what Facebook calls message requests. These usually come from people who aren't on your friends list. To see them, go back to the chat screen and tap on your profile picture in the top left. From there, select Message Requests. This section is divided into two tabs, You May Know and Spam. Check both, because sometimes real messages accidentally land in the spam folder. If you find a message you want to read or respond to, just open it and choose whether to accept the chat or block it. There's also something called secret conversations. These are encrypted chats that don't show up in the regular thread with that person. To access one, open the conversation with a friend, tap on their name at the top, and then choose Go to Secret Conversation. If you or that person ever exchanged messages in this mode, you'll see them there instead of the regular chat feed. Keep in mind, there's no single place to see all your secret conversations. You'll have to check them on a contact-by-contact basis. So, in short, there are three main places to look for hidden messages in Messenger: archived chats, message requests, and secret conversations. By checking each of these sections, you can make sure you're not missing anything.